Just say yes to things. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. We've kind of been on a weird little tear recently with just weird things. Don't know exactly what's going to happen. Know I'm about to be starting a part-time job, so I have no idea what's going to happen with live streams or anything like that. But I haven't said no to a meeting or an opportunity or anything in a few years now, and it's always gone well. So I know it sounds a little cheesy, but just don't say no to anything, even if it's not quite exactly right. You have no idea what the meandering path will be. So real quick video today. I got to go do some paperwork today and get started. It's not the end goal, nor is everything else. I mean, think about it. You have to get through 8th grade to get to do what you want to do, right? But I have no idea who I'm going to meet, no idea what I'm going to learn. That's the kind of cool part. So, all right, just say yes. Just say yes. Go try something. Just say yes. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.